Hi ma'am, hi sir. I am Joyan Faith Valera, 36-year-old, married with 2 kids, ages 15 and 19-year-old. I live in Maligaya, Lambayong, Sultan Kudarat. I am a vocational graduate. I took up hotel and restaurant management. My work experience is in Doha, Qatar. I work for Arabic family, 3 member, 2 adult and 1 baby, 8 months old. My duties are taking care of the baby, cooking, cleaning, ironing, and laundry. I also work in Taipei, Taiwan for 8 years. I serve for a Taiwanese family, 4 member, all adults. My duties and responsibilities are taking care of the 82-year-old woman, cooking, cleaning, ironing, and laundry. Ma'am, sir, if you choose me as your household worker, I promise that I will be hardworking, honest, and I will do my duties and responsibilities and treat your family as my own. Thank you.